Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Hello my friends, today is another session on the topic highlighted by the edgemarket.com. The 11 stocks experts say you should own in 2021. Okay, so this article mentioned 11 stock that is that looks good. Okay, that they actually recommend for the 2021. Okay, so I redid one video, okay, highlighting 5 of the stocks. Actually, I want to break it down to 4, 4, 3, right? Actually, the first one I already highlighted 5. So this one I'll highlight 3, and the next video I highlight another 3. Okay, so I don't want to make this video too long. Maybe tomorrow I'll put another video out and for another 3. Okay, so they mentioned 11 stock. So I listed the stock here: IHH, Genting, Tenaga, Hatalega, British American Tobacco. This one I already done the video last week. So today we talk about MAGNUN, GAMUDA, and Sunway Construction. Okay, let's look at the MAGNUN. Okay, I do this video because I want to know whether the stock is good to buy, because this video actually say 2021 the whole year. Okay, so as for chart, for me, right, as for people to analyze chart, right, I want to see the right time to buy in the chart. I just don't listen to people tell me, oh, it's time to buy, it's good to buy. I know it's a stock good to buy, but when to buy, good to buy and when to buy is a different story, right? A lot of people get caught on, okay, buying too high because people tell them good to buy. So they good to buy, but the time they buy is here at the top, and the price actually came down, okay? Or when they buy, okay, they buy good to buy somewhere here. Okay, people say good to buy, but the price still goes down. But we don't know because we never investigate. We never took the time to actually to check. Okay, we just want to listen, blindly listen to people. But when we know how to read chart, we are not blind. Okay, we open our ears to listen, and we don't trade blind. We see and find the right setup. We read the sentiment, we read the history, and we find the right setup. Okay, this is the theory, my theory in trading stock with chart. Okay, MAGNUN looks good. Okay, this is the downtrend trend line. Okay, resistance, resistance, resistance. So the price actually has broke the downtrend trend line, right? The other 4 stock that I mentioned last week, I think haven't break the downtrend trend line, so it's still on the downtrend. It's still not good to buy. Yet it's good to buy for the whole year, but not the right time to buy yet. Okay, so this is the downtrend trend line. Let's see the long term one. The long term is here. There's another one here, which is the long term one. Okay, so this stock actually still got a margin to grow. Okay, this stock still got margin to grow from 2.2 to 2.5. Okay, so this is short term, right? Here is short term. Okay, short term. Long term growth, we need to break here. Okay, long term growth, preferably break this one. Okay, break this one, then we are talking about it can grow, okay, from 2 ringgit above, maybe Okay, possibly up to the 4 ringgit area. Okay, it is the way. Here to here is short term, but it has broken this short term trend line, right? So it's quite very possible the price can reach from here 2.3 to 2.5. Okay, for short term. For long term, we need to see the break of this one 2.53. Okay, 2.53. If you want to put a vertical price tag, right? Okay, if you want to put a vertical price tag, would be here. Here, 2.63. Okay, if the price can actually break 2.6, okay, so the possibility 2 to 2.8 to 3.2 and to 3.8 is open. Okay, so the possibility is here. Okay, if the price haven't break 2.6, right, so this could be only a short term uptrend from 2 point, current price is here 2.310 to 2.63. Okay, so this is short term bullish. Okay, it is bullish but short term bullish. Okay, once past this one is long term bullish. Okay, so this is still not very good. Okay, I put this one if I were to buy. Okay, if I want to buy, where should I buy? Let me take a look. Let me put my trend line here, here. Okay, this is because this is already the price already U-turn to an uptrend, right? So it's possible buy here. Okay, a possible buy here. Okay, with a stop loss here. Okay, the stop loss below this high, this low, 2.4. Okay, if I buy here, okay, I'll look to at least hold to 2.63. I want to wait what happened at 2.63. Okay, what happened here? Okay, if the price got rejected, okay, I might want to sell first temporarily. Okay, I want temporarily want to sell. If the price actually can break through here, then I will keep. Okay, I will keep the stock all the way up. Okay, all the way up and see how far it can go. Okay. Okay, GAMUDA is on a short-term uptrend, right? Also, it's on a short-term uptrend. The long-term resistance is here, okay, which is the the top of 2020. Okay, the top of 2020 is here, 4.3. Okay, so 4.3. So the price need to break. Okay, this one the 4.3 in order to show a long-term. Okay, long-term uptrend. Okay, once it can break this trend line. Okay, this trend line and break this 4.3. Okay, this is a resistant, long-term resistant trend line. Okay, price is going up, and this is a short-term trend line. Okay, so the price already broke out from the short-term trend line, show that short-term is positive. Okay, if I were to buy this stock here, okay, the current price here is 3.7. Okay, I will hold it until 4.3. Okay, until 4.3 and see what happens, whether it can break 4.3. If it can't break 4.3, maybe I will sell. Okay, I will sell some and wait for it to break 4.3. Okay, if it can break 4.3, okay, then I will keep it possibly, okay, to maybe around 5, okay, to this stock. Okay, so I will hold it. If it can break 4.3, hold it. So if I want to break buy here, okay, my stop loss would be, okay, short term stop loss will be here. Okay, outside of this supporting trend line, right? So 3.5, right? Below this low. Okay, below this low. Okay, so the next one, how many already? Sunway. Sunway. Sunway and Gamuda actually they mentioned they are going to get the highly that they are going to get a continue project for the railway project. That's why they are giving it a very good review. Okay, very good recommendation. Not by me, this one. Okay, all this stock is not recommended by me. Okay, this is I just read the news, very interesting news, so I just picked it up and let's discuss. Okay, because we want to know in depth more about information. Okay, it's always good, right? It's always good to know more about before what you want to invest, right? Like me, what I want to invest. I hear the news, I don't straight away invest, because a lot of people, a lot of my friends, they hear the news, they invest. By the time they caught the news, right, the price will be at all-time high. Of course, the price did fly, but already flew without them. Okay, by the time they hear the news, too late. So I want to check the chart whether I'm too late or I'm still early. Okay. Uh, Third one is Sunway. Yeah, Sunway. Okay, Sunway Construction. Let's see the long-term trend line, right? So this is a long-term trend line. Okay, so the price did broke out of the long-term trend line, but it's still sideways. Okay, the price after it broke out, it got no momentum, so the price is sideways. You see, I draw this box here. Actually, the box is contained, the stock, the price is contained inside the stock, so it's moving sideways. Okay, we don't want to buy the stock moving sideways, because if you buy here, it can still come down. Okay, if you buy at the bottom, probably okay it works, but if we buy here at the top here, no point, because a lot of resistance here. You can see 1, 2. How many times it tried to break out but cannot? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Around 7 times. Right? We count it 1 time here. Okay, easy lah. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 times, 6 times. We cannot break through 1.2 ringgit threshold. Okay, so this is the majority of sellers is still there trying to sell down. Okay, once all these sellers, okay, already sold, okay, and the new batch of buyers come in, right, overwhelm all these sellers. Okay, the demand is higher than the sellers. Okay, then the price could go up. Okay, now there's still a big group of sellers here. Okay, we can see come here sell, come here sell, come here sell, sell. So a lot of sellers. So we want to see the price break up. Means this seller already exhausted. Okay, this group of seller here, right, already exhausted. Okay, and there's new fresh interest on the stock, then only we buy. Okay, so 2 ringgit is a threshold. We want to see the price. Okay, break the 2 ringgit. Okay, I want the price, see the price actually break up from 2 ringgit, then only I will look forward to 220, 2.4, and 2.6. Okay, so this is the resistance here. Okay, 2 ringgit. So this is my video for today. Okay, remember to like my video. Okay, help me to like my video. So this is good for the Google algorithm. Also remember to subscribe. Subscribe, you get my new video and you get my uh, notification when I make a new video. I still got another video to come. Okay, hopefully I'll publish it tomorrow. Okay, for the remainder 3 stock. And also I do a lot of ad hoc video also nowadays. I got more time. Okay, I'll do ad hoc video. So if you subscribe, maybe you can catch my ad hoc video. Okay, if I see any opportunity that I'm interested, I want to go into the stock, then I will do a video out. Okay, just in case. Uh, just to tell my story. So this is not a signal to buy. Remember, okay, I'm not professional trader, or this is not investment advice. I am just a normal, okay, retail trader sharing my story here. Okay, I am not a consultant. I'm not an advisor. So this is by no means any advice for you to buy and sell the stock market. Okay, okay. Thank you very much for watching my video. See you again. Bye bye.